everyone. So today I'm going to make a video on doing dishes with no plumbing, meaning no water, no drainage, off-grid, and just kind of show you how we do it off-grid. Alright, so we got some dishes here. This is the bucket I'm talking about right here. Right now we are boiling our snow water, and once this comes to a boil, we'll pour it into that. So we take this, we go in town, we refill a bunch of these that we have in town, we refill them, and we mix that in with the hot boiled water to temperature. It's pretty still hot in here, but it helps break up all the grease and oils and fat on the silverware and the pans and the plates and bowls and whatnot.
No, Leo, your time's not done.
We just wash it up, and basically we are limited on space, so I just set it off to the side. So I go through, just wash all the dishes. After I'm done with the dishes, I'm going to take all this dirty soapy water, and we got a spot where we get rid of it, so I will take care of that. And then basically I got another pot of water on standby, already boiled, and I got some more cold water. And basically after that, just clean the plastic tub real quick with a little bit of hot water, a little cold water, a little bit of soap. Scrub it down with the sponge and pour that out, and then basically fill it back up with hot water and cold water, and then we'll put all our soapy dishes back in, and we just kind of soak them in and take a hand towel or shower towel, and we wipe it down, and just make sure it's nice and soapy. Remove all the soap off it. We've been doing this for months, and it works out well for us.